Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix face unlock not working on your VIVO X300 Ultra. First, clean the front camera lens with a microfiber cloth by swiping only on the camera. After that, re-register the face in settings. Open the Settings app, go to Security and Privacy, then Device Unlocking. Select Face, enter the lock screen password, and click OK. Scroll down, click Clear Face Data, then click Clear and add a face. Click Enroll now and look into the camera. Once enrollment is complete, click OK. Make sure you have good lighting during setup and use of face unlock. That's how you can do it. If that doesn't work, as a last resort, update your software to fix any camera glitches. Go to System Update. I'm already on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating as it can fix many issues, including face unlock. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.